front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned grey. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want, you can also go into Settings, scroll down to click on Location here, and manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!